What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today guys, I'll be doing an unboxing and review on the FIFINE AM8T microphone kit. Thank you so much to FIFINE for sending me this microphone to do an honest review on. And of course guys, that's not everything. In the link in the description of this video, I will provide Amazon links with 15% discount code. So make sure to check that out in the description of this video if you guys are interested in getting this microphone. But without further ado guys, let's get into the unboxing of the FIFINE AM8T microphone kit. I'm so excited guys, this is a dynamic microphone and I've never had one before. If you open up the box, you'll immediately be greeted with the user guide. This is just for you guys that will be struggling. If you guys do not know how to set up this microphone, over here is a sticker of the company website. This is FifineMicrophone.com. Make sure to go check that out for more microphones and other audio equipment. Over here guys, you guys can see the premium packaging that is provided by FIFINE, and you get this boom arm in here. Now this is not gonna be the most fanciest boom arm out there, but this is a lot better than just a normal desk stand for this microphone. So I'm really happy they included this in the kit. It's definitely worth getting the kit over just a standard microphone. Over here you guys can see is the USB Type-C cable. You can also use the USB Type-A in your PC. That's what I'm gonna use, or you can use USB-C to USB-C. Over there you guys can see is the base of the monitor arm. This will basically attach to your desk. Over here, as you guys can see, this is a desk clamp, and that will basically make it really easy to mount this microphone on your desk. So really happy about that as well. But guys, it's finally time to have a look at this microphone over here, and as you guys can see, it already looks really premium. Over here is two gain knobs. One is for the microphone volume and the other one is for the headphone jack, and the touch button for the RGB, of course. So guys, we're going to turn the microphone around so we can see the back. This is actually the mute button. It's a touch button as well, which is so cool because it's a really premium feature on a mic like this. And over there you guys can see is the XLR port. If you guys want to use this with an interface, of course, I'm gonna use this with the standard USB-C cable for the RGB to work. Over there you guys can see this is another part of the microphone to make it even more adjustable if you guys are using a boom arm with this, and I really think it is going to work well with this adjustability. You're not gonna really struggle with that, and the weight on this microphone is also very nice. It doesn't feel light or anything. It's actually quite sturdy and well built. Over here guys, I'm going to place the mic arm on the desk so you guys can actually have a great idea of the size of this stand that is included. For me, this is big enough, and we'll see the size right now. As you guys can see, this is how the stand looks. Of course, it can straighten out to be even longer. Over here is the cable that is provided with, which looks to be really long, which is actually really helpful if you guys are gonna sit away from your mic a little bit, like, you know, you want to basically have a lot of distance between your PC and the microphone. Of course, this looks to be 5 feet or 6 feet, I think 6-foot cable maybe. Over here you guys can see I did place all the parts you're gonna need for this microphone on the desk. So first off guys, it is time to quickly show you guys how to connect the boom arm. You're gonna take the base and the upper part of the arm, and you're just going to quickly click that upper part of the microphone arm, as you guys can see, and make sure to tighten this button so it doesn't basically slide out like this if it's not tight enough. So yeah, obviously don't over tighten it, but this should work well right now. And guys, I also want to show you guys how to actually attach this arm to your desk. So you're just going to basically turn this until it basically fits your size of a desk, and then you're just going to fasten it or secure it until it basically doesn't move around over there. And that's basically it for the boom arm guys. Now you just need to attach the mic on here. As you guys can see, make sure this is secured as well, and then you're just gently going to tighten the mic over here. And of course, then that is how easy it is. It's going to be on the boom arm right now, and it's gonna look a lot better, so enjoy that with the boom arm. Over here guys, I'm gonna show you how to quickly connect the USB Type-C cable at the bottom over here. We're not gonna use the interface, we're just gonna use the USB Type-C cable. Of course, if you guys have an interface, you guys are welcome to use that. And over here, you guys can see is the first part of the RGB because I just plugged it in. And now I'm going to show you guys how the RGB works. So you're going to hold down this touch button like so, and the RGB will turn on, or you can hold it down again to turn off. And it also changes color if you just tap it like so. Obviously, my favorite will be the rainbow RGB over here because it matches my PC vibe. As you guys can see, it goes along with my setup. And over here is the mute button. It's red or green for unmute and red for muted. Make sure this is green so you guys do not accidentally mute your mic while talking. Now I will show you guys how far away you need to be from the mic to basically get the best results. So right now, everybody, I will be testing out this FIFINE microphone by talking about 2 inches away from this mic, as you guys can hear by this audio sample. And I really think it sounds good, guys. Like, let me know in the comments. This is a dynamic microphone, which means you talk into the top of the microphone. Okay, guys? It's not an omnidirectional mic that basically picks up noise around it or something. You guys are going to talk on the top of the microphone. If you guys talk into the sides, it's not going to work that well because it's designed to cancel out noise for us streamers or content creators. So definitely get this mic if you guys are interested in a way to upgrade your videos or your content. This will definitely make it sound professional, and this is a very good price for the quality you're getting, guys. I really don't think there is anything better out there on the market as I am aware of right now. FIFINE has always produced quality mics. I've always used their mics for my streams or anything that I basically do most of the time. So yeah, guys, definitely check this mic out. This is basically 6 inches away, as you guys can hear. This clearly is a little bit of a distance, so the volume will be a little bit more silent, but this is basically how I usually talk in all of my videos. I talk at this distance. So if you guys are gonna use this mic, I would recommend talking this close as well. It's just better that way, guys, and it makes your voice sound really professional and clear. So yes, guys, with that being said, let's get back into the video. Let's get into the other 2 mic tests, guys. I have 2 other mics that we're going to be testing. We have a $30 mic and a $120 mic, guys. So the entire video has been recorded on the FIFINE AM8T. So please remember that, guys. And we're going to be getting into the first mic, which will be a $30 mic. And we will basically be doing a keyboard test and a fan test and to hear the audio quality on that mic. So let's get into the comparison. This is going to be mic 1, as you guys can see. This is the $30 microphone. You guys can hear the audio. This is the test. You guys can hear all the background noise. This is a $30 microphone. So let me know in the comments what you guys think of this. I'm not going to mention any brand, of course, but this is a $30 microphone. Hopefully you guys can really understand the noise test. This is me typing on my keyboard, as you guys can hear. So there you go. Okay, and then I'm gonna be quiet so you guys can see if you guys can hear my PC. Okay, there you go, guys. This is mic 1. We're going to move on to the expensive mic of mic 2. This is going to be mic 2 of the mic tests. This mic goes for $120. This is a cardioid condenser USB microphone. This is the most expensive microphone we're going to be testing today. As you guys can see this or hear by that, this microphone picks up a ton of background noise. This is me typing my keyboard. So yeah, as you guys can see, that is the only problem with these types of microphones, is they are very expensive, but they're better designed for studios and stuff that has more soundproof systems. So this is not really good if you guys are going to stream or make videos in a gaming room with a lot of noise. That is why a dynamic microphone like the FIFINE AM8T is better in this case. Let's get back to the FIFINE microphone. I'm back again on the FIFINE AM8T microphone, so you guys can hear the background noise. This is me typing on my keyboard. As you guys can see, it does an excellent job of basically blocking out background noise. This mic is perfect for streamers or content creation. Also, guys, this mic is on sale on Amazon right now. Link in description for $68, guys. So make sure to check it out. It's for the entire kit. You get the boom arm and the mic. Only for $68, guys, so make sure to go check it out in the description. Without further ado, guys, I want to say thank you so much for watching this review of the FIFINE AM8T microphone kit. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.